안녕하세요, 여러분. Dear learners, welcome to the lesson 3 of Learn Korean Easily, Clearly. In the lesson 2, we have completed the basic introduction to Hangul alphabets. Now let's continue our journey to lesson 3. Lesson 3 is the first step to learn the Korean alphabet. And we are starting our journey from simple vowels. Simple vowels. In this lesson 3, we will learn the shape and sound of simple vowels. Shape and sound. As you have now some little idea, the shape, the script is different, like the general languages which we generally know, like English or Hindi, the script is totally different. We have to learn them very clearly, Roman. Yes. Again, as you can see on your screen, there are total 40 alphabets. And out of total 40, we are in the simple vowels level now, and simple vowels are total 10. So we are starting now learning of 10 simple vowels of Korean. We have already checked in the previous lesson that all the vowels of Korean language are made by just using 3 symbols. Symbol of sky, circular dot, symbol of land, horizontal line, and symbol of standing human, that is vertical line. So please keep your notebooks ready now. Write today's date and number 1. You have to write number 1. And in this table, as you can see on your screen, there is a vowel shape. Number 1 vowel shape is what? One vertical line, and in the center towards right side, there is a small horizontal line. That horizontal line is what? That's the symbol of sky. Solid circular dot is changed to small line in the modern Korean alphabet. First vowel, after making this shape 5 times, please write 5 times this shape, memorize it, and the sound is ah. Sound is ah. Come to the number 2. There is only one difference in the shape. Just one more additional small line in the ah on the same side, and ah will change to ya. Make this shape also 5 times. Yes, and memorize the sound, that is ya, ya, ya. Why we are learning them in the pairs? Because they are connected with each other. If you learn in the pairs like number 1 and number 2 together, ah, ya, you will understand the sound also easily and shape also easily. If you just remember ah, add one more line on the same side, it will change to ya. Ah, ya. Coming to number 3. See the shape. One vertical line, one small horizontal line in the center towards left side. Sound is aw, aw, aw. Make this shape also 5 times. Number 4, same logic as was in number 1 and number 2. Add one more line on the same side, a small line. Aw will change to yaw, yaw, yaw. So it will be aw, yaw. Number 3 is aw, number 4 is yaw. You can see, I think within 1 minute we have completed 4 vowels. And if you see the shape of number 1 and number 3, you will find some very interesting Yoruban connection. They are the opposite images. They are opposite images. And in the same way, number 2 and number 4 are also the opposite images. This is the reason this language is called as very logical, scientific, and systematic. 4 vowels we have completed. Memorize the shape and the sound now. A, ya, o, yo. Now we are moving to the next pair, number 5 and number 6. If you see the shape of number 5, very simple, one horizontal line, and in the center towards up there is a small vertical line. And the sound is O, O, O. Number 6, add one more line in O on the same side, small line, it will change to yo. Please make both the shapes 5 times, because if you will not write now, it will be very difficult. Yoruba, you can see shapes are almost very similar. There is a just difference of the number of the small lines or their directions. All look similar, Yoruba. Please write them. When you write it, it will become more and more clear. Again, number 5, O. Number 6, yo. Come to the next pair, number 7, oo, oo. Make this shape 5 times. One horizontal line in the center towards downside, small vertical line. Ooh, 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 ooh. 5 times. And at the same time, do the pronunciation also. Number 8. Very simple. You. Add one more line. In the oo, it will change to you. Write 5 times. You, 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 you. And repeat the pronunciation. So we have completed total 8. Now can you do repetition with me? Let's start with number 1. See in your notebooks and pronounce first vowel is A. Repeat after me. Say A. A. Number 2. Ya. 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 Number 3. O. 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 Number 4. Yo. 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 Number 5. O. 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 Please keep doing practice with me. Number 6. Yo. 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 Number 7. Ooh. 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 Number 8. You. 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 Well done. Well done. 잘했어요. 잘했어요. Let's move to the last pair. Number 9 is see just one horizontal line. One horizontal line. That is a symbol of the land. Sound is uh, 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 uh. Number 10, see here, one vertical line, the symbol of the standing human. Make this shape also 5 times and then do the pronunciation. E, E, E. All 10 are over now. Finish. Are they difficult? No. Very easy, Yoruban. Memorize the shapes clearly and then start practicing sound. Let's start once again from number 1. A, ya, o, yo, o, yo, u, you, e. Well done. Well done, Yoruban. Keep doing the practice and let's move to the next part now. On your screen, you can see there are 5 vowels 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can see the vowel shape. These vowels are a, ya, o, yo, and e. Can you find one similarity in all these 5 vowels? They have one vertical line as the baseline of these vowels. So for further easy learning, let's club them into one category, like vertical vowels. Vertical vowels. Why we are learning now? This is very, very important part. Very, very important part. Any vowel which is having vertical line as the baseline of that vowel, that is called as, we will club them into the vertical vowels. It will make our journey more smoother, more easier. Again, we have completed 10 vowels. See, 5 are verticals. 5 are vertical vowels. Now you are very intelligent, Yoruban. Now you can guess remaining 5 are horizontal vowels. Horizontal vowels. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can see. O, yo, u, you, They have the baseline, horizontal line, Yoruban, the symbol of land. They are clubbed into horizontal vowels. Again, the same point, language is very logical, very systematic, very scientific. 10 simple vowels, 5 are vertical, 5 are horizontal. But why we need to categorize these vowels like this? See here. See here. Number 1, you can see there are 2 vowels are written in the yellow color box. First is U and second is U. U, U. Let's start making syllables and the words, Yoruban. Let's join them, uyu. Join them. Speak together fast. Uyu, uyu, uyu. And meaning of uyu in Korean is milk. Milk. Now I know one word, uyu. When we join them, as you can see on your screen, there is red color, Yoruban. 2 boxes. They are joined together now. Uyu you have written. You are pronouncing it correctly. But this red color spelling is wrong. And if you see after the red color OU, there are 2 more boxes on which there on the top there is a one blue color circle. This spelling is correct. This spelling is correct. Pronunciation of the red color OU and the OU with the blue color circle is same. They both are same. OU, OU. But spelling is incorrect. We have put one blue circle on the top of U and on the top of U. Now you can write, this is the first word, Yoruban, congratulations. You can see U. Why we need this blue colors, this silent one circle we have put? What is the role? Yorobun, now you have to listen, understand, and memorize very clearly. There are many academic Yorobun explanation for this logic, but I have tried to make it simplest so that we can understand, we can learn it fast. If you see the first point on your screen, Yorobun, for the syllable making, syllables when joined they make the words, Yorobun. All syllables, all syllables in Korean must start with a consonants. There must be a consonant first, then we can add one vowel. Again, I'm repeating, all the syllables of Korean language must start with a consonant. But in the OU, there was no consonant. Consonant we have not started, even not have touched. So how we can make the word OU when rule is this? If there is a no consonant in any syllable, this circle, the blue color circle, it is represented by blue color on your screen, Soroban. This will act as silent placeholder. Means silent consonant to fulfill the condition. This is one of the foundation rule of this language, Soroban. We have to put one circle. That circle will act as a silent consonant, silent placeholder. Book by book, there are different terms, but meaning is this. This is the reason the spelling of uyu without this circle is wrong. And very interestingly, the pronunciation here, because it is a silent circle here over. So you can see there are blue color circle and below that there is a red color. This is just for the representation, Yorobun. Color changing so that we can understand it clearly. Yorobun. Uyu is milk. First word. You can write down the spellings also. Yorobun. Uyu. Chukka hamnida. Congratulations, Yorobun. First word is uyu. Let's check one more word. And before going to the next word, see on your screen, this circle we have put the silent placeholder on the top of U and on the top of U. Now students ask this question. Where I have to put this circle? Top, bottom, left or right? With the vowels. So you can see all the vertical vowels. 10 we have completed, total 10 simple vowels. 5 are verticals. A, ya, o, yo and e. The silent placeholder will come on which side? Left side. Left side. And in the horizontal vowels, it will come on the top side. Again, with all the vertical vowels, silent placeholder, this circle will come on the left side, and with the horizontal vowel, it will always come on the top side. This you have to understand deeply, clearly. If we cannot understand here, we cannot proceed further, Yoruba. Please, we cannot proceed further. This, keep seeing this screen, Yoruba. You can see, ya, oh, yo, e. Where is that circle? On the left side. Sometimes student asks, sir, there is some gap in some of the uh, circle and the vowel, and some are attached. You don't have to worry at this stage. Just write them on the left side. And with the horizontal, it must be on the top side. Okay, let's move further, Yoruban, and see one more word, that is number 2. See, first vowel is O and second is E. Join them, speak them OE. Wow, Oi is one another word in Korean. Oi meaning is cucumber. If you see the red color spelling, O and E with the red color font, Yoroban, that pronunciation is OE, but the spelling is wrong, Yoroban. Now you know why spelling is wrong. The answer is in yellow color box. We have to put what? Silent placeholder which will act as a silent consonant over there. To fulfill that condition, all the syllables of the Korean must start with a consonant. Now it has changed to OE. This spelling is correct. OE. Please don't be confused, Oroban. This is foundation rule. Understand it clearly. Let's move to the next. Now you can see there are 5 pictures on your screen. These are 5 words, Oroban. First is just number 5. Number 5 is O in Korean. Okay, let's start again from the first word. Let's take as O. O is 5. Where is the silent circle? On the top side. Why? It is a horizontal vowel. Next is number 2. Number 2 in Korean is E. E. E is a vertical vowel. Where the silent circle has gone? On the left side. Come to the third, milk. U. 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 They both are, U and U are horizontal vowels. So where the silent circle will go? On the top side. Come to the cucumber. OE. In OE, O is horizontal, silent circle is on the top, and E is vertical, silent circle is on the left side. OE. Last one is I. I think you can read now, European. Just read them there with their sounds and make the words. I. I meaning is child. In this, A and E both are vertical vowels. So silent circle have gone, the silent placeholder is on the left side. So 5 words we have done, Yoroban. You can write these words. Today you must be feeling some happiness. Wow. Now I know 5 Korean words. I can read them. First is O. O is number 5. Second is E. E is number 2. Third is Uyu. Uyu is milk. Fourth is Oi. Oi is cucumber. Fifth is I. I is child. Clear, Yoroban? See the next slide now. It is the time for the self-assessment. Let's go point by point here. 3.1. Total basic vowels or simple vowels, Yoroban, you can say any, you can use any word. It doesn't make any difference. Basic vowels or simple vowels. They are total 10. Out of 10, vertical vowels are 5. Horizontal vowels are 5. Silent placeholder, that circle will be placed with the vertical vowels on left side. A, ya, o, yo, e. Silent placeholder with the horizontal vowels. It will be placed on the top side. O, yo, u, you, u. Very good. So I hope you're open. Today is the first step for learning the Korean letters, Yoroban, and you have easily understood this 5 vertical, 5 horizontal, and total 10 simple vowels. And as you know, in every lesson we learn a new word. In this lesson 3, we will start to learn how to say sorry in Korean. Sorry. Because every day we have to use this word, Yoroban. You don't have to write the Korean spelling as of now. If you want, you can just try to copy it, try to copy the shapes, but it is not needed. You just have to say 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다. Sorry in Korean is 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다. Okay, if you want to say, then Easily say 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다. Yes, this is sorry. So it's time to conclude. In the lesson 4, we will start making the words with simple vowels. We will do more practice to have the full confidence so that we can feel okay, 10 simple vowels. Yeah, oh, yo, oh, yo, oo, you, oo, e. How to make the words with them. So I will say thank you so much, Yorobun, for giving your time. And I hope lecture by lecture, lesson by lesson, you are feeling confident. Kamsamida, Yorobun. Thank you so much. Thank you. See you in lesson 4.